Welcome to F-Band News with your continuing hurricane updates. Heavy rain and wind has continued to pound Flower Bluff this evening. Many residents have decided to stick to the safety of their mobile homes. Many residents have chosen boats as their primary form of transportation. This guy wasn't so lucky. Much of the local wildlife has been displaced and has resorted to scavenging for food. Evacuation centers are active and are being heavily utilized by the locals. That is all for this evening, folks. Be safe and good luck.